Justin, and I will be your host. So today I'm looking at the XRP chart, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to discuss the 30,000 foot view of XRP. And the reason why I'd like to do this is so that you have a sense of understanding of what you should expect as a holder of XRP if you're a holder. What I'd like to do is I'd like to quickly go through the XRP chart and show you the three fundamental seasons, if you will, that XRP has. So let's start at the very beginning in August 2013 at its conception. So in the beginning, there was a range bound, it never broke out, it was sideways range bound time, after which it came to a point where there was its first bull run. Price went up drastically and fast, after which it hit a declining point, and it winded its way all the way down to a capitulation point. At that capitulation point, it went up, and it repeated this just on a different time scale right here. It was sideways range-bound time. So this is the range-bound time season that XRP moved into, after which it moved into a bull run. Once it got to a peak, it entered the decline phase, so the season of decline, where it continues to make lower lows, eventually winding its way down to a capitulation point. At that capitulation point, it moved back up again, but it was a range-bound time. So this is the range-bound season after the declining season. It stayed in this for a much longer period of time than here or here, but eventually it hit another bull run. This bull run was quite big compared to the other ones, and eventually it came to a peak and entered the decline phase. This season brought it all the way down to a capitulation point, after which it moved back up and went into a range-bound sideways time. At a certain point, it came to the next bull run, and this was even bigger. So this bull run brought it to where the current high stands for XRP, after which it moved into a declining phase. This season took a while, and it eventually brought it to price to a capitulation point where it entered into another range-bound sideways time. This was a very long one, which eventually brought it into the next bull run. This bull run wasn't as big as this one. It was bigger than that one and bigger than the previous ones, but it wasn't the biggest. After which, it entered into a declining phase, a declining season that brought lower lows, which we are still in. We are near the capitulation point. So this brings me to another thing. These declines, they're not random, they're structured. And you can go and watch some of my other videos where I discuss the structure of these declines. This sideways time is not random either, it's structured. You can watch some of my videos where I discuss the fractals that are in this sideways movement. So it is foolish to talk about a bull run just around the corner when we are still in a decline. There has never been a point in history where XRP went from a bull run into a decline back into another bull run. That just does not happen. So the next phase that we should logically expect is that sideways range-bound time. Now, the whole purpose of this video is not to bring discouragement or anything like that. It's to show you that XRP has a structure to it. To get to the bull run, you have to go through the sideways winding time. To get to that sideways winding time, XRP must go through a decline. There is a structure, there's a season to it. So just because XRP is at this depressed stage right here, one of the key messages in this video is that there is hope. Just as this always happens, so does this. We will experience more bull runs. It's part of the course. We need to go through the different seasons to get to that season. So The key to being an XRP holder, and this is not financial or investment advice, it's just like in life. Sometimes you just have to have patience and let things play out, let things run their course, and in due season, it will come, it will arrive, just like it always has, just like it probably always will. As long as XRP exists, there will come a bull run, there will come a decline, there will come a sideways time. Right now, we are near the end of the decline, so we're going to go into the sideways time. I don't know how long that will be. It could be short, it could be long, but eventually it will happen. One cool thing I'd like to show you. So if you go back to the very, well, I don't know about the very beginning, but way back here, here we have a time when XRP, it did this giant bull run compared to this or nothing. It's its first bull run. And then after which it went into a decline, went into its sideways range-bound time, and then it went into its next bull run. The next bull run, the second one, was not as big as the first one. After which it went into a decline and went back into a sideways movement, but then came a really massive bull run. So if you take this time, these two bull runs, and you copy and paste this onto today's chart, it's actually kind of interesting. So this is what I'm going to show you is speculation. I don't know if there is a larger pattern at play here, but I suspect there could be. So if you take that area and just copy and paste it onto here, it lines up. I showed this in one of my other videos, but I'd like to expound on it a little more. So it lines up pretty amazing, actually. So there's the first one, there's the decline, and even the declines, like, they kind of match, and that's because they're structured. The declines are structured. Even the sideways times are structured. That's why it matches. So, and then it goes into its next bull run. The first one was higher, the second one wasn't as high, and then it went into that time of sideways movement. Now I'm going to move this onto a week chart. Now I don't know how long these sideways movements will last, or how high or low things will go, but if this pattern is truly playing out, I mean, we've got some mega bull runs potentially. Again, this is speculation, but potentially, if this is a pattern playing out, we got some. I mean, this stuff is just going to blow what we've been through out of the water. So that is something to think about. Well, I hope this video was helpful and enlightening. If you found it helpful, it'd be so appreciated if you hit that thumbs up button and that subscribe button. I'm a new channel. I hit technical analysis from a very unique point. You're probably not going to see this type of technical analysis much, but it's what I enjoy, and it's brought a lot of clarity to me, and I feel, hey, if it's helped clear things up for me, it could probably do that for others as well. So you can also follow me on Twitter at Chart Historian, and once again, I am not a financial advisor, planner, so nothing here should be construed as financial or investment advice. I'm so glad you caught this video. I hope you catch my next one. Have a great day, and bye for now.